In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect CapCut to TikTok. So what you first need to do is go ahead and open up CapCut, get there however you'd like, and then once you're on the CapCut app, you want to go to Me in the bottom right hand corner. So go ahead and click on Me, and that will take you to this window. Now once you're on this window, you then want to go to Sign in with TikTok, and then it's going to ask to open TikTok, so click on Open. Once you've got TikTok opened, it will then redirect you to this window, where it's going to ask you to authorize your account with TikTok. If you're happy with all of that, you can then click authorize, and it should then take you back into CapCut. Now it's going to ask you when your birthday is, so my birthday is March the 14th, 1998. So now I've entered that in, we can now confirm, and now it's signing in to CapCut using TikTok. So now we're signed in. You can see here is my TikTok account connected to CapCut. So now you can go ahead and edit videos like usual, and you'll be able to automatically upload them to TikTok. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps you out.